What's up, everyone? Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoy watching this, go down there, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I really would appreciate it. It is 12:20 right now, and I just got done editing our Missouri rifle season. I wanted to spend a little extra time on this. It's a little bit different than the other videos I've done. I've kind of narrated the whole thing, kind of put the whole weekend into one whole video. I didn't have a whole lot of success on this particular hunt. Had a lot of great encounters, but everyone else had a lot of success pretty much, especially my brother. So stay to the very end to see my brother's amazing buck at our new place in northern Missouri. Hope you guys like this video. Our 2022 deer camp and Missouri rifle opener was highly anticipated, as my dad and one of his best buddies from high school teamed up to purchase a property up in northern Missouri. We were all really eager and excited to get up to deer camp, as the weather was setting up perfectly for that Missouri opening weekend.
New territory, new farm. Milan, Missouri.
Big Jake.
Gotta go with all the other ones we got here. Look at this. I don't think we have enough bush lattes.
First kill on the new farm. When'd you kill that?
October 4th.
6 man? Saving a hind leg.
Look at these digs.
What's up?
What up, Chester?
Trying to figure out the internet, Bob.
Oh, you have internet set up?
Trying to.
Dude, this is hunt camp here, boys. Good gosh. This isn't like Buffalo, is it?
You gotta do one shot? No, one shot. Here, there. You get your little sissy drink. This Connor's ass in here, but I gotta do one for Connor.
Give me a small one.
Alright, yeah, we can do whatever we want to do. This is.
Where'd it go?
No, I gotta do two.
Where's the moonshine?
Why do you gotta do two?
I'm doing the small one.
Hey, Jay, get the moonshine.
You want both?
You want a moonshine on top?
Nope, you're doing this. It's straight.
Oh my god.
Straight, David. You're gonna feel this, boys.
I don't.
Here's deer camp. Alright.
God, that's a big.
There we go.
Here we go. God willing, many more.
Connor's ass in here.
Comet 76 properties.
There we go, boys.
Oh my God. To the Comets.
That's a lot.
Oh! I can't.
Hell yeah! Oh!
Zach couldn't do it.
I can't do all that. I'm a sissy.
This is last night. This is one of them.
There's one shooter. That's not the...
Well, no, I don't know. It might be. Look at this. No, that's not the 10. There he is. The split G2
tanker.
in this home range where I shot the first 10 point. Right.
That's target buck number one.
Target number one. Whatever you call it.
Different environment than the Ozarks. Barren crop fields. Not an ideal morning as far as wind goes, but it's definitely cold. It's about 15, 20 degrees with a heavy north wind. So Dad and I are going way about as far as you can see over there down that hill on a ridge point, and there'll be I believe there's a soybean field down in the bottom that's been harvested. I think I don't know. I know all this is soybeans here. It was. I'm really excited that buck showed up last night. That was the biggest one on the farm, so I'm really hoping we get to lay eyes on that deer. She's a little chilly this morning.
The winds are howling. Jeez. Hold on.
A little success in northern Missouri.
Hopefully.
I hope so.
Let me carry that in the truck.
Yep, we're lucky. Don't lose that lighter.
This is the same tree Dad killed his bow buck out of right over here.
October 4th. Right. 25 yards.
It's
Another deer was coming in behind.
This is a sick setup. There's a huge CRP bottom. I mean, massive. Just looks like a huge bedding area behind us. A timber draw. And then right in front of us is a cut bean field. I mean, you couldn't have a better setup. And then there's bedding all over there, too.
Had the split G2 walk by 10 last night.
There's a
This
camera
is his
right
home
there,
range.
and he would have been bow range from us.
Yeah.
20 yards. So. Oh, I guess we could just walk right up we could walk right up the hill. After filming my dad that opening morning, we decided to break up so we could cover as much territory as possible. Because it was a new farm, we just didn't have a whole lot of experience on how the deer were moving around the farm. I've got in on a pretty good spot here in this drainage. There's big buck sign right there, fresh rub. And this drainage runs all the way up onto the neighbors quite a ways, so with some open fields on either side. It seems like that's how these deer use these big farm country areas. They use those drainages. I'm gonna get in a quiet cat tonight and get way back on a ridge top, I think. Look over a big valley. Hopefully there's some white oaks. Isn't that where that big one was in that little field? He had a picture of like a 12 point somewhere back here.
There's a big 12 in here. There's another really good buck 10 point.
Yeah.
Too, but I had no idea there was.
Not gonna lie, that was pretty fun. It's not easy with all the gear though. That was fun. Although I wasn't able to connect on the first rifle season up at the new farm, I covered a ton of ground and I learned a lot about that property, and I'm really looking forward to future hunts on this property. The first evening set of the rifle opener, my brother was able to connect on a great northern Missouri buck. Well, that's probably going to be a wrap. That's probably going to be a wrap on this episode. Got 7 minutes left of legal. But stay tuned to see a video and some pictures of my brother's buck. He killed probably the biggest buck on the farm that we have on camera. There's the four-wheelers. They're gonna go get Jake's buck. Way up on the west ridge there.
Boys down, huh?
That boy, dude, wait till you see the doe. Dude. Oh, man. Wait till this is a big boy. Come here, go look.
Do you think it's the same one that was in the bottom? Did he come back up?
No, completely different deer. Yeah, I think I ended up seeing that one go over the ridge later, up on top there.
By me? Like above me?
Yeah, above in that,
So he must have
till area.
He slipped past me before I got.
He did. Because I saw one right after I shot this. Dude, that doe, wait till you see the doe. She's a 180-pound doe.
Did you see it?
The shot or the deer?
The deer.
Oh, the deer. The buck's really good. That's going to be...
I bet he's...
What was your shot, Jake? About 75? 112. 112?
Oh, son.
That boy.
Son.
Cole's laughing his ass off.
Holy shit, dude.
What's that?
Cole's
You
laughing
said,
his
should I
ass
take this
off.
doe? Your dad said no.
No.
Don't screw up my
Literally a
hunt.
second later.
Then we hear,
Right after I
boom.
shot this, he calls me. What the hell are you doing?
I was laughing my ass off, dude.
That's awesome.
That's a buck, isn't it?
That's a good one.
Wait, look at the body.
That's
Oh
a good
my
one.
God,
Look at
dude.
the doe. Look at the size of
Northern
her.
Missouri deer, baby, right here.
We're so used to buffalo deer.
Northern Missouri deer.
That's buck, dude.
That's the split I guarded.
That's it. I couldn't say no to that.
Not only did my brother connect on a gray deer, the day after I left camp to go back home, my dad and his buddy both killed 2 great bucks to round out an amazing trip and a great opening weekend at the new farm. I can't wait to get back up there to build new memories and chasing after these big Midwest bucks.